Hello everyone. So my name is Jerry F. Hikali Jr. So today I want to talk to you about something very important, which is fake news. So this is a big problem in the world right now. But first, what is fake news? Why is it spreading so fast, and how can we stop it? So in this video, I will explain everything in a simple way. Fake news means information that is not true. It looks like real news, but it is made to trick people. Some people create fake news to make money. Others do it to make people believe lies or to create fear and anger. Fake news can be found on websites, social media, and even videos. Sometimes it can be hard to tell what is real and what is fake. Today, fake news spreads very fast, mostly because of social media. Apps like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube make it easy to share and information. People often share news without checking if it is true. Also, it is very easy to make news online. Anyone with a phone or computer can write something and make it look real. Another reason fake news spreads is because of something called confirmation bias. This means we believe things that match our own thoughts even if they are not true. Fake news can be dangerous. During the COVID-19 pandemic, fake news about fake cures and wrong information caused a lot of harm. In politics, fake news can be changed. However, people vote by telling lies about candidates. It can also make people angry, scared, or confused. This can lead to fights and problems in families, school, and even countries. So how can we spot a fake news? Here are 5 simple tips. First, check the source. If the website or person who shared it known as trusted. Second, read the full story, not just the headline. Headlines can be misleading. Third, check the date. Sometimes, old news is shared again to make it look new. Fourth, see if other websites are saying the same thing. If only one place are reporting the news, it might be true. And fifth, use the fact-checking websites like Snopes or FactCheck. These websites help you find the truth. We all can help stop fake news. Think before you share anything online. If something feels strange or wrong, ask questions. Help your friends and family check if the news is true. And support real news by spreading or watching trusted news sources. When we work together, we can fight fake news and help everyone stay informed. Fake news is a big problem, but we can do something about it if we learn how to spot it and stop it. We make the internet and the world better place. Thank you for watching.